Determining the proper size of a lineman's body belt is an important component in the overall comfort and fit. In this video, we will demonstrate how to properly size an individual for a body belt. When sizing, the key measurement is what we call the Y measurement. The Y measurement is the distance from the front edge of the hip bone around the back side to the same location of the hip bone on the opposite side, approximately 4 inches below the location where an individual would wear their pants belt. This is referred to as the X measurement. To get the Y measurement, a sizing belt, Buckingham Model 6087, seamstress tape, or tape measure can be used. In this video, we're going to demonstrate proper sizing using both a sizing belt and seamstress tape. To get an accurate measurement, it is important to have the sizing belt or tape in the right location. Here, Ryan demonstrates the proper placement of the sizing belt. Determining D size using a sizing belt. Place the sizing belt around your backside at the X measurement and fasten the buckle. If the heels of both D rings are positioned slightly forward of your hip bones, the belt is sized correctly. If the heels of the D rings are too far forward or behind the hip bones, adjust the belt by using the snap fasteners until the proper fit is achieved. Once the proper fit is achieved, remove the belt and note the number in the slot of the sizing belt. This is your Y measurement. Determining D size using a seamstress tape. Position the seamstress tape around your backside at the X measurement, placing one end of the tape on the front edge of the hip bone on one side. Once properly positioned, note the measurement on the tape at the location of the front edge of the opposite hip bone. If you're in between numbers, round up. For instance, if this measurement is 24.5 inches, round up to 25 inches. This is your Y measurement. As illustrated, simply use your Y measurement to determine your body belt D size. Depending on what style body belt you're choosing, either 1 or 2 will have to be added to your Y measurement. A properly fitted body belt will provide maximum comfort while working aloft. It is also important to note that the buckle tongue may not always fall in the center hole of the belt strap. There are 9 holes on the belt strap, which allows for adjustments while wearing heavier or lighter clothes. It is acceptable to have the buckle tongue fall in one of the holes to either side of the center hole. When sizing multiple people at once, we highly recommend the Buckingham sizing belt, Model 6087, which ensures an accurate D measurement, making it easy and efficient when sizing.